Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram DMs are not working or not loading. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and for example, if you got a notification that someone has sent you a message, but when you tap on your DMs, the message is not on your chat list. So here, the first thing we're gonna do is to check your general list, because sometimes you might be move it from primary to general, or you can check your requests. Because when someone is not following you, every message he sent will be on the request messages. Now, if this person is already following you, and when he sent a message, he doesn't appear on your chat list, here what we're gonna do is to go out from here and go to our settings. After that, we're gonna scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Here to the second option, manage apps. And now we're gonna look for Instagram. Here, tap on clear data, then clear cache. Now confirm. Now go back to Instagram, and the message will be here on your primary list. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.